Hi guys, welcome back. Today, doing this on Monday, day of the video supposed to go out, so hopefully it gets out in time. It's had a long weekend and I didn't feel like coming out here yesterday. It was rainy and this nasty, and it is really soggy out here. But not in the garage. I just didn't feel like getting out yesterday. So Monday, shooting video day of. Hopefully it'll be up tonight. I'm gonna really push for it, but it's not gonna be too much going on other than we're gonna try to weld up these spring perches. I think we can do it. We got to add some metal, but let me flip you around here. You can see a little bit better with the sunlight coming in, and I'll show you exactly what we're gonna do. All right, see that big hole right there? We're gonna try to fill that in with some little bit of metal and get it where it's better stuck on. Same way with this one. You can see it's just tacked in. And also, look here, it's angled. It needs to be straight on the axle there. And this one has a little bit we need to do, but not much in order to get it straight. I think the bottom needs to come over. It needs to move this way. This one, I really yanked on it and it bent quite a few back that way. So like I said, we'll just try and find some metal to put in there and see if we can't at least weld one of them up today. Be nice to get both of them, but I'm not too confident in that. What we'll do is we'll loop the chain around, lift it up, unhook it here and there, and then unhook it on this, and hopefully this will spin where the drive shaft goes, spin down. I'm gonna bring those up here so it'll be easier to weld on them. But we need to first get them straight-ish, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, we're gonna weld those up hopefully today, and then next time we'll clean it off and paint the whole rear end, and then everything will be pretty good, I think. Then I start running about brake lines and whatnot. But anyways, please stay in the video. It does help channel out a lot and helps me out a lot. I think we're at 980, so we're getting close to that 1,000 mark. Like I said, once we hit it, I'll have a drawing for a hat and shirt, and I'm in talks with Super Clean. See if they'll send you some Super Clean whoever wins too. But anyways, let's flip you around here and we'll start trying to get that welded up. And that's the last thing we need to do before we can actually paint it and finish it out. So might as well try. Worst happen is not hold and have to get somebody else in here to do it, but we'll give it a good shot. Let's get to work. I think we maybe got it. Looks pretty straight there. Yeah, that one looks okay. That one is pretty good. Use the little right angle tool and just checked it in a few spots, and they seem to be pretty good. So get a wire brush, knock some of that rust away, and find some metal to kind of pop in there, because that's pretty thick, and we'll start trying to fill this in the best we can. And if we got time, if we get one of them done, we may put some gussets in here to kind of sturdy it. Well, we could probably put one there and there, small one, and one down here. Kind of keep it where it is. But let's find some metal and try to weld. Found some rod. It seems to be almost the width, and it'll fit inside that hole there, the biggest one, and a little bit through here. So I'm gonna try to bend down a section of it and then cut it and stick it in there and see if we can get it to fit, and then we'll try our hand at welding it in. I think we got a close enough bend in it. Just a little bit more. I think that should work. We'll cut it a little long. Alright, we gotta cut a little more off, and maybe sand it down just a little bit. I can hold my breath on this, but one more shot. It'll work. Alright, we'll do a little bit of cleaning, and then bring the welder over, start trying to weld it in. Instead of grinding, I just smashed it, hoping that'll be quicker. May have put too much curve on it. I think I did. Okay. Alright, should work. Whew. Dadgum. That's really hot. Whew. Put that there and we cut the excess off after we're done. Hopefully that stays. I need some magnets. Okay. There, I got it stuck. Stuck where I want it. I'm going to try to do a little bit of welding and get it tacked in there before we pull the magnets off. I think we may have got it. It welds look pretty bad, but I'm pretty confident. Gotta do a smack test. and they're not moving. Still don't know if this. I'm gonna put a little bit more weld under here, cut that off, try to tie it all together. All right, the camera's about to die. I'm just gonna clean this up a little bit, then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. All right, I think we got it. Welds don't look great, but I think we can use it, and it's looks straight to me, so I think we're gonna roll with it. Kind of see how it does. But let me turn you around here right quick and show you what it looks like. All right, please don't judge my welding because I'm not a welder, but we did put a piece of metal in here and welded the top to it and the bottom to the rear housing, and down here as well, you can see. But we got it in there, and get my hammer, a little test. So I think it'll be good. I mean, it's in there, so may not look pretty, but a little paint won't even notice. We're gonna do that with this side. Get some more of that metal rod and bend it and shape it and put it in there. I need to realign the bottom of that. Looks like it's kicked over some. This one looks pretty good, so we'll get this one redone and weld it in. I'm gonna try to do that off camera. I don't want to bore you with that again, but getting close. Hopefully next time get some super clean, go over the whole rear and kind of sand it down and paint it, and then we'll call that done and stick it back under there. And then hopefully within a couple weeks we'll be mapping out brake lines, getting those down, getting some fuel lines, getting those sent to the front. And after that we'll do some get some neoprene matting or some kind of rubber and put down where the body's going to sit to kind of give us a little bit more cushion, and then maybe put the body back on the frame and the bed, maybe. That way we can kind of see how everything's going to look, and go through the engine, transmission, drive shaft needs painted, get all that in, and then we can start worrying about the radiator, all the radiator hoses, and getting all that plumbed, getting all the brakes done, tighten up the wheels because I know there's some lug nuts missing, and then run electrical, and that should be almost it. Got to make a seat mount, and I guess I'll use that bench for now. I need to clean it. That cat's been on it sleeping. And then windows, and that should be pretty close to being road ready. But I'm real happy with how that turned out. Say thank you to my uncle who welded that for me, the front, because I forgot you can turn the voltage up and make it burn hotter so I can get through the big metal easier. I just had it on the 18 gauge, so I put it on the 10 gauge setting, and it went really well, and it really got it stuck in there. I know it don't look good, but I don't think we'll have an issue. I'm not going to worry about the gussets right now. I mean, if down the line, if something happens, one of them does break loose, then we'll definitely put more emphasis on getting it solid on there. But I think we're good. I think it'll be good. But anyways, made this far. Thanks for watching. Just kind of quick video today. Like I said, I gotta get this out here next 4 or 5 hours, so it's gonna be cutting it close. But I just want to say thank you again to everybody that subscribed, and the new people and the old people was like I said, once we get 1,000, I'll have another giveaway, and little celebration. I think it'd be awesome. But thank y'all, and I hope you have a good week, and I'll see you next time.